We'll guide you through how to install a plugin in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop and make sure you have the latest version installed. Then, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down, choose Preferences. A new window will pop up, and on the left side, you will see a list of categories. Click on Add-ons. Now, you're in the right spot to add your plugin. At the top of this window, you'll see the Install button on the right. Click it. A file browser will open up, allowing you to navigate to where you downloaded the plugin file. Blender plugins are usually in a zip format, so there is no need to unzip them. Just select the zip file and click Install Add-on in the bottom right corner of the file browser. Once installed, you will see the plugin appear in the list of add-ons. To activate it, simply check the box next to the plugin's name. This will enable the plugin for use in Blender. If you need to configure any settings specific to the plugin, you will usually find them in the same window. Just select the plugin in the list and click on the little arrow to expand its settings. Be sure to save your preferences before closing the window, so the plugin remains active the next time you open Blender. You can do this by clicking the Save Preferences button at the bottom left of the Preferences window. And that's it. You've successfully installed a plugin in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.